Hey 30-minute marketers. In today's video, we're going to talk about how to make money online as a college student. If you're new to the channel, I'm Gary Baker and I'm here to show you how to do more to market your message in less time. And to do that, check out the link in the description and the pinned first comment. And remember, it's not about faster, it's about focus. Now, today's focus is how to make money online as a college student, but this also applies to anyone that's ever been to college or anyone that's ever thought about going to college. Actually, it applies to anyone that has the mindset, the correct mindset, to do the work and the research to build a business to start making money online. And I'm going to show you exactly what you could do as an example if you were a college student and you were studying languages. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to go over to clickbank.com, you're going to sign up for an account, and you're going to go to the marketplace. So you're going to check out Clickbank, and you're simply going to go down to the categories. And as you can see, there's all kinds of categories. So this applies no matter what you're studying in college or what you studied in college. So for example, if you studied business and investing, there's all kinds of things you could write about here as you're studying. So if you're currently in college and you're studying these topics, this is the perfect time to use what you're learning and share that with the world online. Okay, so if you're studying computers and internet, you can see here, there's all kinds of programs you can promote as an affiliate here on Clickbank. Now, what I was focused on and what I want to talk to you about today is languages. So for example, you see all the languages here that are available, that have products that are readily to promote on Clickbank as an affiliate, and we're going to use Arabic as an example. So we're going to click on Arabic. That's going to take us over to the marketplace, and it's going to show us one of the most popular training programs that is available for you to become an affiliate on Clickbank. And as you can see right here, you can see the average sale is $52.96 per sale. So you can sign up to promote Rocket Languages, and you can of course use this affiliate link right here, or this link to their affiliate page, and you can go and you can check out exactly how to become an affiliate to promote Rocket Languages. And because we're using Arabic as the example, if you go to Rocket Languages, you see that they have Rocket Spanish, French, Italian, German, Japanese. But if you click here to see all, you can see right here, Rocket Arabic, as in this example, is available to promote as an affiliate on Clickbank. So you can easily go to Clickbank, sign up, and then come to Rocket Languages, sign up, and in this example, start teaching people how to speak Arabic and show them if they want to advance even further and faster, then they can use Rocket Languages as the tool to help them advance further and faster than what your content is doing. Of course, there's tons of other languages here. Arabic is just the example in this video. So then once you've got that all set and now you understand that you can promote Rocket Languages on the affiliate marketplace, Clickbank, and you can average around $52.96 a sale. Now you need to start creating content around the Arabic language. Now here's where it gets into creating content and making that content valuable for people that are looking to learn how to speak Arabic and utilizing the skills that you're learning, the knowledge that you're learning as a college student, learning this language. So what you're going to go do then is you're going to go to Neil Patel's tool called Uber Suggest, and I'll leave a link in the description for everything I'm talking about here. So you be sure to check out all the links in the description. So what you do is you're going to go how to learn how to speak Arabic. You're going to click search. That's going to give you the search volume, the SEO difficulty, the paid difficulty, and the cost per click. But don't worry about any of that right now. What you want to focus on is you want to scroll down to keyword ideas, and you want to look at what people are writing about on the internet, what people are blogging about. Yes, you're going to start a blog. The best option is to buy hosting for around $5 to $10 a month, but if you can't afford that, then there are free hosting options. Just Google free hosting options. Just be aware that when you go the free route, you will have certain limitations on your account, certain things that you can and can't do, but it is a way to get started. Again, recommendation is to spend the $5 to $10 a month and be serious about building an online business. Think long term. Think that this is going to be real, that you're actually going to make money just promoting this first product on Clickbank. It will take time, but you can build it up, and this can become a very lucrative business for you if you put in the effort and you put in the work. So again, look at these keywords at Neil Patel's tool, Uber Suggest. Start looking at this, coming up with ideas on how to write blog posts. And then after you start generating blog content, the same time you're going to take those keywords and you're going to go to YouTube and you're going to start a YouTube channel. As you can see right here, how to learn how to speak Arabic. You just simply look at that and you can see the videos here and you can see the number of views and subscribers. But the thing I want you to take note of here is at the age of these videos. 7 years, 3 years, 11 months, 2 years. So while the information itself doesn't age, YouTube and Google, they all like fresh content, new content, targeted content. So for in your example, as a college student, you're going to be targeting people in your same age group. People are looking to learn the things that you know, and you're going to make your videos in a way that's going to resonate with an audience that is yours, and you're going to be able to build that audience. And again, you're going to use this content on YouTube and on your blog to go back to Clickbank, look at rocket languages, the language Arabic, the ability that you have to make an average sale of $52.96, and you're going to build all your content around the idea that rocket languages is here for everyone that wants to learn Arabic faster, quicker, and become more fluent in the language that you're teaching them on your blog and on your YouTube channel. 3 simple steps that you need to take. You need to go to Clickbank. You need to sign up. You need to take a look at all these categories and pick something. For just like the example we used here, we're looking at languages, we're looking at Arabic. We found that for the Arabic language, there is a product. It's called Rocket Languages. We looked at the average sale. We looked at the affiliate sign-up page. You just simply go there, sign up with your email address. You can see there that the Arabic language is readily available, and you can start promoting this as a product. You can go to Neil Patel's site, Ubersuggest, get great keyword ideas for blog posts that you're going to start writing. Again, you can use free hosting. It's recommended you spend the $5, $10 a month to get your own hosting so you don't have any limitations. And then, of course, you're going to start a YouTube channel, and you're just going to use the knowledge that you're already learning, the skills that you're already learning in college to start making extra money online. As always, remember, it's not about faster, it's about focus. If this video was helpful, give me a thumbs up. Check the link in the description and the pinned first comment for a simple and effective step-by-step strategy that you can use to start your own online business today to accelerate what I just told you. Check out that link, 30-minute timer here on the end screen. Click that, subscribe to the channel for more awesome content just like is on the end screen here. Click on that video, keep watching, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.